How to reset the computer: warm, cold, and clean boot. If the computer does not resume after pressing the power button, or if the computer or an application locks up, you may need to reset the computer. The computer uses the configuration currently saved in flash memory during the boot process. There are 3 ways to reset the computer: warm, cold, and clean boot. Warm boot, aka reboot. It may be needed to reboot the computer to correct conditions when an application stops responding to the system. To reboot the computer, press the power button and select Reboot from the menu. The computer systematically shuts down, restarts, and goes through the initialization process. Cold boot. In some cases where the computer completely stops responding, it may be necessary to perform a cold boot or hard reset. Because cold booting may result in data loss, use this method only if all other recovery methods have failed. Note: cold booting the computer does not guarantee that cached disk data will be saved, so transactional data may be lost during the reset. All other data, such as configuration and network settings, is preserved. Press the power button to suspend the computer. Select Hibernate. Remove the hand strap and the battery pack. Press the reset button in the battery compartment on the back of the computer. Replace the battery and the hand strap. Press power and wait while the mobile computer boots. When the cold boot is complete, the home screen appears. Clean boot. A clean boot erases the memory in the mobile computer, including all applications and data files, with the exception of those found in the flash file store or any removable storage. If the computer seems to be locked up, try cold booting it. If this process does not work, use a clean boot to get the computer up and running for further troubleshooting. It is possible to perform a clean boot using the mobile computer. Note: it is also possible to perform a clean boot using the Smart Systems console. Right-click on the mobile computer and select Internet Power Tools, Clean Boot Device. Steps to perform a clean boot are: press the power button to suspend the computer. Select Hibernate. Remove the battery pack from the back of the computer. With a stylus, press the reset button in the battery cavity. The reset will be the left button in the cavity and it will be the biggest of the 2. Insert the battery back into the computer and immediately press and hold the power button and the volume down button, the lower blue button on the right side of the unit. Continue to hold the power button and the volume down button until the message Release I/O button appears. Press any 2-key sequence, i.e. volume up, and then enter. Repeat again the same 2-key sequence, i.e. volume up, and then enter. Note: if the 2-key sequence is not repeated in the same order, then the clean boot process will be aborted and the device will reboot normally. After completing the 2-key sequence, the device will start to proceed with the clean boot process. Once finished, the device will boot up showing the home screen.